to do now is we're going to assemble, cut out and assemble our car. So the first thing I want to do is cut my pieces out. So on the main body panel, we're going to take right here on the very outside and we're going to cut along that line. And the main body panel is cut. The only other thing is along these 3-inch lines right here, we're going to cut those. We're not cutting them off, we're just going to cut them up to this line here. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'll cut just to that point so that those two pieces are separated. And we're going to do that to both sides, but don't cut them off. Okay, so I've got my two flaps. So the main body panel is done. Then the fins and the air scoop can get cut out, and you're just cutting down the outside edges of all this. So the fins, you're going to cut so you have kind of a trapezoidal shape. Cut both of those out. And the air scoop, you're going to cut on the angled piece. Okay. Now you have your 4 parts, main body panel, 2 fins, and air scoop. And what we're going to do, the fins we're done with. We don't need to do anything else with those for right now. But the air scoop and the main body panel have to get bent. And now in order to bend this, we're going to have to score these pieces. So take your scissors, open it up, and using your ruler along the line on the air scoop, you're going to lay your ruler along that and you're going to put light pressure on this. And you can drag the scissors across on both of those lines. And the reason we're doing that is because it will make it bend in the spot we want it to, and it makes it bend a lot easier. So the air scoop then gets bent over, like that, and both sides. Okay. And we're going to do the same thing with the main body panel. You lay your ruler down. You're going to score along the line. Do the same on the other side. And we're going to bend those over. Now, if you did this right, your air scoop should fit in the front of that, the main body panel. Okay, and that's what you do to cut it up. The next step would be then to assemble this.